Oh, there's a scary picture. How we doing out there, everybody in YouTube land? It's the old guy here, Kilo G at the Tennessee Off-Grid Project. I'm happy to report I've had my 7th year off-grid here in Tennessee. Everything's doing fantastic. Managed to make 71 trips around the sun, which is amazing. Now I'm going to turn the camera around and show you just how busy I've been. Haven't done a video in a long time, kind of lost interest and been way too busy. So let me flip this around and show you what's going on here. Now, many years ago, I started putting up the second level here. And hopefully in the next 2 or 3 weeks, the build out for the second floor will begin. There's pieces over there in the corner. That's a 3-piece corner shower stall for the upstairs bathroom. And down here, there's a 30-inch bathroom vanity and sink. Sometime next week, I think, I got about $3,000 worth of lumber coming in, and I've got 3 different actual framing crews coming in. Not playing around this time. I'm going to get actual framers that know what they're doing to come in and frame this upper area out. And 2 bedrooms, a bathroom, and a rec room will be going in up there. Long overdue. I'm going to have the framers do the framework, and I'll do the electrical, plumbing, and the finish work inside. I can do that. And then here in the shop, we've got more interesting stuff going on. I got a 2005 Screaming Eagle, or what I like to call them Screaming Chickens, 103 cubic inch Harley Davidson. That's going to get the usual upgrades, cam shoes, bearings. I got the new exhaust to put on it, put this thing back together. And then more big and interesting developments are going to be happening outside. Inside of my shop here is going to get a whole lot more emptied out. Got another repair and paint job on this somewhat smashed 2017 Street Glide. I think that's off. I forget. I'm very happy to report, going on 6 years later, my off-grid inverters that I've installed, turned them on, and have never touched them again are working flawlessly. Best move I ever made, putting those magnesines in. That's fantastic. EG4 batteries are just doing fine. And now outside, I've been a busy guy. Outside, you go around the corner, and look, somebody stole my Harbor Freight tents. Oh, wait a minute. They're in the backyard now. I got the 2 Harbor Freight tents in the backyard, and hopefully maybe next week, going on a month and a half waiting now, actually have a concrete guy, contacted 4 of them, talked to 3 of them, only 1 actually showed up. There's going to be a concrete pad going in here, and there's a brand new 12-foot wide by 25-foot deep single car garage going in here with 9-foot walls. So that's going to be fantastic. That's going to become my new bodywork and paint shop out here, separate from the building. And then down here, I've been cleaning up storm damage. Hopefully you'll be able to see. There's one of the smaller trees down there. I got those hickory logs bucked up. They're about 18 inches across. Those are going to be fun. And then back here is the new garden setup. And that by myself took me about 5 days, working 4 or 5 hours a day to get the 6-foot chicken wire and T-post. Hopefully we'll keep the deer out. Because last year my garden got absolutely devastated when the deer came in and had a little lunch party. And see that little thing with the eyes on it, that little owl looking thing? I'll give you more information on that as I set it up. That's a deterrent. It has flashing lights and 5 or 6 different sounds, 2 only of which you can hear through the human ear, and the rest are made to make animals go away. So lots and lots of stuff going on here at the Tennessee Off-Grid Project. As you can see, spring has sprung. Still have never fired my cannon, but I'm working on it. So that's about it. I've been a busy guy. I hope everyone out there is doing well. And I'm going to be filming the garage segment, which I'm hoping in the next 2 weeks that'll take. I ordered my building 3 weeks ago. And that's about it. Just wanted to do a little update. I haven't posted anything in a long time. Not that anybody cares, but I was just in the mood to do it today. So with that, I'm going to sign off, and I'll catch you later. More to come on the building and the second store install soon, hopefully.